couple people, they have 401ks or any other type of investment or savings. I guess in terms of those assets, what would they be able to do to buy their new home?
I get that question a lot because a lot of people have equity in their current home. So I always encourage current homeowners to tap into the equity through like a home equity line of credit. I think that's great financial planning, and they should definitely do that because they could use that for any other future needs they have. If that's not in place, a lot of people aren't familiar that they could do a 401k loan or a loan from their IRA to use that money to buy the new home. Even when you're buying a second home, you don't need 20% down. You can do something simple like a 5% down payment. There's even some situations where it could be lower, like 3%. A lot of the first-time homebuyer programs have expanded into second-time ownership. So there's options if you have limited assets because you have lots of equity. You can still purchase your new home and you can tap into like the 401k loan. There's no prepayment penalties, so if you do decide to sell the home in the future, you can just pay off the 401k loan and then you can pay down on the current house for sure.